Do you know what? I love flicking through my Art Attack scrapbook, all the different methods and techniques that you've come up with. And do you know what? I have to say, they give me some good ideas for my artwork as well. Check this lot out. Here's Tom Twin's picture. Now, he's created this weird creature using paint and scrunched up balls of tissue paper. Cracking picture, isn't it? Emily Dowling has created her ocean scene by using blue wrapping paper and aluminium foil to create a moody atmosphere. And Samuel Duke has printed this lino cut of a cat in 3 different colours. And you know what? I love this effect. And how about this? Katie Slatter has created a really nice desert watercolour scene. So how did you do it, Katie?
I drew this picture of pyramids and painted it. Then I painted their reflections on the water.
Yeah, great Art Attacks. Hey, and what a fantastic picture that was. Well, here's a fantastic trick. Another clever way to create water reflections, but this time in a real graphic design style. First of all, find a picture from an old magazine of something that you get near water. Now, it needs to have a really good, strong outline shape. Then, carefully cut it out. Now, I'm going to do a boat. And the idea is to draw around it on dark paper. Just finish this one off here like that, because what you want to try and do is to create just a silhouette. Now, you need to do it twice and cut those silhouettes out. And when you've done that, you'll have something that looks like that. And the idea is to stick one down onto a lighter coloured piece of paper. Now, I'm going to use this blue backing board I've got here and just stick that down near the top in position like that. And then just place the other one over it and flip it down like that, upside down, like a reflection of your first picture. But don't stick that down yet. In fact, draw around it very faintly just to mark its position. You don't need to go all the way around. You just need to mark its position upside down like that. Then cut a strip of it across the top about 1 centimetre wide, just really carefully off the top there, like that. And then, oh, there it goes, dab of glue on the back very carefully, and just very carefully glue it down into position using the guidelines. Then cut another strip, again about 1 centimetre wide, no more. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. And then, oh, keep springing off here. And then throw this one away. Don't need it. Rubbish. Then cut another one. Yeah, you got it. Again, about 1 centimetre wide there, and cut all those little bits off. And again, dab of glue on the back and just glue that down into place, but you leave a gap between the strips. And then, yeah, cut another one and throw that away. And the idea is to keep cutting one, sticking it down, cut another one and throw it away, each time 1 centimetre apart. And when you've glued each of the alternate strips down, you'll have something that looks like this. Look at that. And you've noticed I've rubbed out the pencil guidelines. And there it is, a very simple but effective graphic water reflection. And you don't have to do a boat. Think of something else that you get near the water. How about an animal? Look at that. There it is with its reflection in the water. Or maybe even a bird. You get lots of birds by water, don't you? And so you've even put the reflection of the rock in there as well. Or maybe you could even do a city skyline. See that? All the buildings reflecting there in the water. And you know what? They're all done in exactly the same way, but using different colours. So try it yourself. To create your own fantastic graphic water reflection picture, carefully cut a picture from an old magazine of something that you find near water. Draw around it onto dark paper. Cut it out and make another one in exactly the same way. Stick one of your silhouettes onto the lighter paper. Flip the second one upside down like a reflection and draw faintly around it. Then cut the first strip across and glue it down. Cut the next strip across and throw it away. Repeat this until you've built up your finished reflection picture. And that's it for today. So have fun with your own art attacks, and don't forget, you don't need to be a great artist to art attack. I'll see you next week on CITV for another Art Attack twice weekly. Ta-ra!
He's good, Neil, isn't he?